Biology of Nephis regularis, SICAD, on the invasive mealybug, Phenacoccus medairensis, green, Hemiptera, Pseudococcidae. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The mealybug Phenacoccus medairensis, green, Hemiptera, Pseudococcidae, is an invasive exotic pest with an extensive host of more than 130 genera of host plants from 51 families. P. medairensis is considered one of the most economically significant pests of many fruits, fiber plants, food crops, vegetable crops, etc. The nymphal and the adult stages cause damage resulting in the withering and yellowing of the leaves. The plant protection products are not very efficient against mealybugs because they have a waxy coating on their bodies and a tendency to hide in cracks. The present study was carried out during the summer season, March to May 2019, in the laboratory of the AGPM department, Shivaji University, Kolhapur, to investigate the biology of N. regularis on P. medairensis under the controlled laboratory conditions, 27 plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius temperature and 65 plus or minus 5% RH. The observed mean pre-oviposition period of N. regularis was 3.4 plus or minus 1.07 days, whereas the recorded oviposition period was 32.6 plus or minus 2.59 days. The post-oviposition period of 20.4 plus or minus 1.07 days was observed. The average egg laying of 92.7 plus or minus 8.41 eggs female was also noticed. The recorded mean incubation period was 5.2 plus or minus 0.5 and the larval period lasted for about 10 to 13 days. The mean duration of prepupae and pupae was 1.5 plus or minus 0.7 and 6.5 plus or minus 0.8 days, respectively. The average longevity of male and female beetles noticed was 47.1 plus or minus 1.7 and 58.4 plus or minus 2.16 days, respectively. Introduction. The Madara mealybug, Phenacoccus medairensis, is a tiny, soft-bodied insect that damages many types of crops and ornamental plants. First found on Madeira Island, it has now spread to over 80 countries, especially in warm tropical and subtropical regions. These pests feed on plant sap, weakening plants and causing leaf damage, fruit loss, and even plant death. They also produce a sticky substance called honeydew, which leads to black mold growth that blocks photosynthesis. Protected by a waxy coating, mealybugs are hard to kill with insect sprays. They hide in bark crevices and spread quickly. While chemical pesticides often fail, using natural enemies like predators and parasites has been a more effective and eco-friendly solution. These natural controls can keep mealybug populations low over time, even when infestations seem small, helping to prevent larger outbreaks. Conclusion. In the present study, the biology of N. regularis is from egg to adult is the first time studied on P. medairensis mealybug in the department of AGPM, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. From the results of this experiment, we can conclude that N. regularis is a superior and effective biocontrol agent against P. medairensis. The observed values and biology will be helpful in controlling this invasive pest to reduce the pest infestation on various ornamental, vegetable, and fruit plants of the Kolhapur region. This study will also be useful to adopt further IPM, integrated pest management, strategy. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.